Narcissists are well known for their overbearing attitudes and characteristics. They're cold-hearted and have great attitudes. They feel entitled to everything and believe no one is better. But in a situation where a narcissist cannot get whatever they want and become unbalanced about it, we can describe such a narcissist as a collapsed narcissist. Here are 5 ways in which you can identify this particular set of dangerous narcissists. 1. Passive aggression. Narcissists always want to have their way in everything they do. They want to be in control because they believe that people are supposed to be under them at all times. When a narcissist does not get his or her way around things, they begin to show some funny and aggressive attitudes. They do this to express their frustration. Sometimes the collapsed narcissist becomes passively aggressive towards you because you've wronged them in the past, and they've sworn to never forgive you. So if you notice a person behaving in this manner, such a person might be a collapsed narcissist. 2. Self-criticism. The main essence of why a collapsed narcissist does this is to try and get sympathy from people, to try again to see if they can revive their dying ego. Narcissists always speak so highly of themselves. They believe that they're better than everyone else. They always try to make sure that people admire them anywhere they find themselves. But once a narcissist begins to look down on himself or criticize himself, he begins to act ashamed of his actions, and in some cases, sulk. Such a narcissist might be collapsed or starting to collapse. 3. They hold grudges for longer times. Narcissists hardly forgive. They can bear a grudge for an extended period. This is because they don't have genuine feelings for you. Instead, they only mask their feelings. The same trait is particular with a collapsed narcissist. They find it hard to forgive someone no matter how small or grave the offense may be. They will never be satisfied until they take their revenge on you, be it subtle or passive-aggressive. These grudges most times lead to unpleasantness, anger, and a desire for revenge. 4. Envy. The primary reason why narcissists collapse is because they don't get to have what they want. And when this happens, they begin to hate and envy the one who has the things they want. These things can be money, fame, or even status. Anything that a narcissist wants and suddenly sees with you, it creates a high level of jealousy in their heart. So a narcissist that growls with envy is indeed collapsed. 5. Feeling inadequate. Narcissists will always believe that no one is better than they are on a typical day. They often set high standards for themselves and the people who follow them. But after much trial and failure to meet this target, some can become depressed and therefore collapse. Once they collapse, they might begin to show signs of shame and anger. So when you notice a narcissist feeling like he or she's a complete failure, that's usually the sign that such a narcissist has collapsed.
So what's your opinion about this? I hope you enjoyed watching this cool video, and if you have something on your mind, don't hesitate to share your thoughts and experience in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the bell to receive constant notifications. Thanks for watching.